Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw XDC from Revolut to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Revolut and want to move it to Gemini for better trading options or storage, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with XDC in it and a Gemini account set up. You'll need to verify your identity on both platforms for security reasons. Once that's sorted, open your Revolut app and head to the Crypto section. Here, select XDC from your portfolio. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. That's your gateway to transferring funds. Next, switch over to your Gemini account. Go to the Deposit section and generate a new XDC wallet address. This is crucial because you'll need this unique address to send your XDC from Revolut. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Revolut, paste the Gemini wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, but keep an eye on any fees Revolut might charge. Double-check everything for accuracy, then hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so stay alert. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XDC to show up in your Gemini account, depending on network congestion. While you wait, here's a quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Revolut to Gemini. This step can help you diversify your crypto holdings or prepare for trading in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.